code found in Samsung's Android Pie update suggests that the Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S10 may include support for 3D facial recognition. While current Galaxy models already boast facial recognition, Samsung's offering is far less secure than what Apple uses with a Face ID. The reason quite simply is that Samsung's implementation relies upon a 2D map of a user's face, and as a result, the device can easily be blurred with photos and video. As to the newly discovered code, XD developers found data settings that make reference to time-of-flight cameras, technology which is commonly used with 3D mapping and can help differentiate between a 2D photo and an actual 3D face. Now, as we previously rumored, there's evidence that at least one upcoming Samsung Galaxy smartphone will use a ToF sensor, the report noted. Hidden within the code for Samsung's system application responsible for handling facial biometric authentication are new fields and methods explicitly mentioning a ToF camera. The news shouldn't come as much of a surprise given that rumors regarding Samsung's plan to significantly boost the reliability and security of its face recognition feature have been making the rounds for months now. Assuming the rumors pan out, it will be interesting to see how close Samsung's implementations come to keeping up with Face ID on Apple's current iPhone XR and XS. What remains unclear, though, is if the improved facial recognition feature will be implemented on all Galaxy S10 models. As you may recall, it's widely believed that Samsung at Mobile World Congress is planning to introduce 4 S10 models, including a flagship device with 5G support. While it's entirely possible that Samsung may save its improved facial recognition feature for the higher-end S10 device, it would be nice to see it available even on the entry-level model. So yeah, that's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.